In this video, I will show you step by step how to deposit in withdraw and withdraw in Bifrost Wallet. So open your wallet here apps on your mobile device and then click on this icon in the middle. And then if you want to deposit, guys, click receive. From the receive, choose, for example, Bitcoins. You can deposit through Bitcoins. Click on this Bitcoins and then just copy this address, and you can share this one. And then click this one, you can share address. From here you can deposit, guys, with this address. If you want to withdraw deposit through USDT, click on Tether USDT and then scan this and choose the network Ethereum, and then you can use to deposit. If you want to withdraw again, and click send, then search for coin you want to withdraw, for example USDT, and then click buy. For example, choose this one, buy cryptocurrency here, choose this one, and then you can deposit here this section, guys. This is for the deposits. If you want to withdraw, guys, you can sell. Just click sell or swap, sell, and then sell your coins or assets, and then you can swap through this option. Just choose this one and you can swap and withdraw. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. If you want to withdraw, you have another method. Connect your wallet here, guys. You can connect and scan, for example, your MetaMask wallet or something like this, or scan your wallet here. For example, use MetaMask and you can withdraw through MetaMask. Thanks for watching this video, guys.